We head downstairs into the basement to check whether it has been affected by the water damage from the first floor and to sketch the space. We add a new floor to our project, select basement, and start scanning the room using LiDAR auto scan. As you can see, there is less light here than upstairs, so the scanner may need a few extra seconds to capture darker corners. If there is no light at all, for example because the electricity is out, use a flashlight to illuminate the room as you move around and continue the scan. Now we return to the area affected by the water leak and document it properly. As we record the damaged area, we take photos and add voice notes to capture all the relevant details. Here we can see that the ceiling of the basement has been affected by the water damages. Here. And also here. We have to investigate if we need to do some major repairs. We scan the entrance area with the stairs and take a final look around to make sure we haven't missed any details. Once we're done, we stop the scan, review the voice notes, check that all settings are configured as needed, and generate the floor plan. Here, I can see that a door was detected incorrectly, so I simply replace it with the correct garage door. At the project level, you can see all 3 floors we sketched, along with the visual documentation we collected. If we go back to the basement, we can adjust the size of the stairs. And that's it. Thank you for watching.